Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the battery, and here you have power saving mode. You can switch it here. You can also access some of its settings. For example, you can switch it here also. You can set it to turn off automatically if your battery charge is up to 60% or fully charged. And you can set it to turn on at the specified battery level, and here you can select at which battery level your power saving mode will turn on automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.